For years and years and years, I made my tracks and I didn't follow the principles of gain staging, the temp master, the reference to get my track to that point. As soon as I learned that style of working, the penny dropped for me and I understood music, and I feel this is the best advice I could give someone. Hi, I'm Jon from Leftwing Kody, and check out my new course on Toolroom Academy and FaderPro. What this course is all about is taking your tracks from that kind of rough production stage to a demo and club-worthy track. A track that you could send to a record label they're going to listen to and they want to sign, or that you could play in the club and it's going to work. The reason I like to have the kick in mono is because the bass and the kick are the central part of the track for me, and in a stereo field they would go in the middle. So there's no need for you to have any energy in the stereo field because it's just going to interfere with the mix. This is just going to give you a tighter mix doing this. I always like to start with any instrument with negative EQ. Now, negative EQ is basically cutting decibels out of the sound, and you do this to remove unwanted frequency. So when it comes down to the mixing and mastering, the engineer has more room to work with, so it just makes sense to remove anything that you don't need. Being an owner of a record label, I get so many demos, and these demos, they have good ideas, but they're just missing that extra 20%. It's literally this what I'm talking about. It's taking your track from that rough stage to a more polished stage. This is a subject that I feel that they'll be able to get the most from this, and they will get results.